Hello, my name is Matt Baxley. Some people know me as Moo Booksley on the internet. Anyway, this is the new MuSONICS synthesizer.
Yeah.
And I'm really happy to be here at Knobcon doing this thing.
This is such a gorgeous machine. Hearing how this sounds blew me away. So can we maybe get a little demo going so people can hear how this sounds at home?
Absolutely. So let me just break this patch down here. So, first of all, each cabinet is kind of a self-contained voice.
Yeah.
And with two oscillators, a filter, two EGs, and two VCAs, and a mixer. But there's enough inputs on the filter that you end up with extra utility here, right? So anyway, one voice is coming in here, and it's being driven by this sequencer. And the whole sequencer thing is that it's kind of the Moog 960 concept, but completely modularized.
Right.
So you can just, add as many rows to it as you want, or as many components to it as you want. And it's all running off of DenSync. So this sync box here is sending out the sync signal, which fires all these sequencers. So right now we're hearing the sound of this cabinet.
Let's talk about that filter real quick before we go
Yeah. Oh yeah, this filter is based on the Oberheim SEM. So it's the multi-mode filter. You can go from low pass, you can add the notch filter in there. And obviously there's band pass and high pass as well. So I can add to that this lower cabinet, which is another voice. Slightly different filter settings.
Yeah.
And then finally I have a lead voice coming from here. There we go.
There we go. Gorgeous, and I'm doing my best to record this audio. I don't know how it'll sound with like all of the ambience of the room. It's very loud in here, but I gotta just say that it's the juiciest, most buttery sounding components I've heard at Knobcon, without a doubt. It just sounds so great.
I have to agree. That's, maybe I'm biased, but I think it's one of the nicest
really
sounding
something
synths.
special.
Yeah.
And then, so we were talking yesterday about the, the Japanese modulation?
Right,
Yes.
which is based on the Korg MS-20 modulation oscillator. So it has all of the quirks of that circuit, as it has the wave shaper.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah.
So it's kind of cool you got like the Oberheim thing, but you've also got the MS-20. So to me, this is the most like vintage modern part of the convention, because you got a little of the old, a little of the new.
Yeah, in each one of these units, there's some aspect of something from the past that everybody loves,
Right.
but made modern, and it works.
No, it's really gorgeous. Okay, so if people want to find out more information, where do they go for this?
MuSONICS.com.
Yes, and are these available for purchase now?
Yes.
Awesome.